Add more forward-facing lighting to your Jeep Gladiator or Wrangler GL with ZROADZ newly developed multi-LED front roof bar. ZROADZ multi-LED crossbar adapts to your already installed ZROADZ A-pillar brackets with a more aggressive lighting pattern that's produced from a combination of 10 high-powered individual ZROADZ Generation 2 series LED pods. Don't have a ZROADZ A-pillar system installed? ZROADZ offers various kits that include complete LED kits from 10 to 14 LED pods, or as brackets only. Combos include all white and a combination of white and amber LED pods. Bracket-only options include all necessary hardware, and the complete LED kits include brackets, ZROADZ LED pod lights, and harness for an easy installation. And like all ZROADZ off-road products, everything comes in a rugged, textured, low-gloss black powder coat finish for long-lasting good looks and durability.